Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Venmo for passive income easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start using Venmo for passive income, create an account if you don't already have one. Download the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign up using your email address or phone number. Once you have an account, link your bank account or debit card for easy transfers. Now, consider how you can generate passive income using Venmo. One way is to offer a service where payments are collected via Venmo. Think about digital products, such as ebooks or online courses, that can be sold. Set a price for your product and create a simple sales page. Include your Venmo username on the sales page for customers to make payments. Promote your product on social media and other platforms. As sales come in, keep track of income through the app. You can also explore affiliate marketing by sharing referral links. Share the links on social media and encourage followers to use them. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you'll earn a commission. Consider creating a subscription service for ongoing content. Set a monthly fee and collect payments monthly through Venmo. Use Venmo's features to encourage recurring payments from your customers. Promote your subscription service regularly to grow your audience. Monitor your earnings through the Venmo app. Evaluate your strategies regularly to maximize your passive income. Adjust your offerings based on feedback and sales performance. Stay engaged with your audience to nurture relationships. This will help to build trust and encourage repeat business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.